Welcome guys into this new video to Express. Today let's talk a little bit more about how we can actually get started with the AI of the Remotasks. So you have heard about the AI taking jobs, but today I'm going to be showing you the way to get paid by the AI. So this of course is the actual Remotasks. Now signing up is totally for free. You'll need an actual Facebook or a Google account to sign up, which is totally for free. And the few requirements are that you need, of course, a laptop on your PC. The Remotask does not support mobile tasking, and you also need a PayPal or an RTM account to actually get paid. This is a must do directly through a Remotask account. So if you don't have those, unfortunately, you're not going to be able to work directly into Remotask. So just as easy as to check out the terms and condition, agree to the terms and services, continue with the option that says the Google. I'm going to hit for my Gmail account, and I'm going to go for the option that says sign in and hit for the option that says continue. So we're actually good to go. The next thing, of course, is the passing the skill assignment. Yes, there's an actual skill assignment. I'm going to be talking a little bit more about what exactly is the skill assignment in a bit. So basically, here, what you need to do now is to focus directly into, first of all, you need to go to be inside the Remotask forum. The Remotask forum is basically, let's say, for example, really important information that can be really useful, sometimes might be annoying, but is a must do in order for being part of Remotasks. So what I do is to hit for the option that says sign up. Let's say welcome to Remotask community, and I go back directly here into my Gmail account to, of course, make the verification of the Remotasks. So I select here the confirm of my new account. I click into the new link that it will be sending to me. I activate my account. I hit to finish. I head back and I reload my page to have access directly into the dashboard. Now you can start tasking, but you need, of course, to unlock projects. So what you need to do to unlock projects is to focus directly into your own account, and directly here into your account you want to agree to all the terms and services. And once you have confirmed with all of these elements, you make sure that you have passed all the tasks, the preferred profile, the passcode and security. You have connected now your payment information. So I head back directly here into my dashboard, and I make sure that I have just enabled all of my terms and services, and I can start tasking. When you hit into start tasking, it says your task queue is currently empty. So what I needed to do, of course, is that I have first of all a valid payment method. Large volume requests can sometimes cause this if you're currently in a project here, and what I need to do is to head back directly here into my dashboard. Once again, I need to enable the Remotask here stuff. I think this is pretty annoying, but here, for example, I have now the new missions. So the missions, for example, can be helping me to start with my actual Remotask stuff. So basically, can be helping, of course, to earn additional rewards. Here are coming stuff. You can check out the past, the active, and so much more. So to start with the actual onboarding stuff, you can focus directly into the onboarding, and you can start checking out the missions that the Remotask has to offer to us. You can enter exams critical, which you can test your ability to spot factual errors, grammar mistakes in an AI test. Basically, for example, like work, but just as a task to see if you are able to work into this kind of stuff. So the secret is that most people fail because they're schemed. Remotask exams are open book, so you can keep the instructions tab open and search for the keywords using Ctrl F. Right, so we can navigate the dashboard. So once you have passed, you have the task queue, which is going to be populated. You'll see the 2D tasks like the drawing boxes around the cars. There's the RLHA tasks. There's the focus into this element, which is going to be writing an evolution task. They pay significantly, of course, and administrators often announce the boot camps, which here that gives you a 40% bonus for completing the actual training. So these are just, for example, missions that sometimes appears here into Remotasks. Since there's a lot of people now working here into Remotasks, you might not see that there's a mission aboard yet, but you can be now, let's say, for example, alert here that sometimes it might be appearing directly inside the Remotask elements. Now, the quality and the actual review. So Remotasks uses a review system. After you submit the work, a senior task reviews it. So your accuracy is everything, and if it drops below 70%, you'll be disabled from that project. So you wanted to take that and slow. Accuracy is more important than speed when you are actually starting. right? So to start with your actual task, what you need to do is to have an actual active project directly into the task log, where you can check out how we can actually get started with the onboarding element. So to get paid, the payout happens every single Thursday. Make sure that there is no minimum withdrawal. If you earned $2, you get your $2. So make sure your PayPal email matches with your Remotask email to avoid any security details, and you're actually good to go. My strategy is that you can sign up, pass the English exam, look for the AI training boot camps. That's where the real money is. So I put a link to the official Remotask, so you can let me know in the comments below what you think about the Remotask. If you have any questions, you can let me know back again directly in them. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys, in order to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and hopefully with all this being said, well, we can all see you well next time.